Alrighty guys, so we're back at my buddy's place. He's got that 09 Rubicon with the huge tires and nice lift. He's put these LED headlights similar to mine, but they have this halo ring and you can change the color on, which is kind of cool. Just kind of flip through the colors. Oh goodness, and a strobe. That's funny. Wow. It's kind of cool.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet. You want to see how it's wired up?
Yeah, let's show you. Show us that.
So it should run. I have like the anti-flicker. Where are they?
Oh yeah. The
Right
little
there,
box.
The little boxes right here.
Yes. Is that what that is? The anti-flicker thing?
Yeah, I think it's just like.
Okay, because I have those on mine, and I wasn't sure if I needed that. I have them in, but.
And then this is the just like the Bluetooth receiver right there.
Oh, that's cool. So you can
connect to it.
Oh, that's cool. So you can get it on your phone.
Yeah, so you can just like change phones too.
Nice.
Pretty sweet.
Nice.
And then I actually had to tap it into.
We tapped into the fuse box.
Yeah. So I just got a fuse tap right there, and you see it running off the other side.
Oh yeah. Sure enough. That's sweet, dude.
Oh yeah.
So pretty easy install.
Yeah, it didn't take too long.
Not too long.
Like an hour or two.
Some soldering, stuff like that, or no? Or just did some
Just crimps.
crimps.
Yep.
Nice. Very cool. I like it. Halo does look cool. I like the white.
Matches with the car.
Yeah, the red. Let's see what it looks like with it on too. That's with it on. That is cool. Very cool. Alright, well if you liked the video guys, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, a thumbs down. And I'll see you guys in the next video.